Good morning, friends. Today we are discussing about the hemipterans. Hemipterans are the bugs, true bugs, which have two pair of wings. The anterior pair is most often the harder consistency than the posterior pair. Either uniformly, so hemiptera, or with the apical portion more membranous than the remainder, that is heteroptera. We know that hemiptera is a larger group in which two suborders are included. These two suborders are Homoptera and Heteroptera. We are going to describe the Homoptera first, then Heteroptera. What are the characteristics of these hemipterans? Here is the hemipterans. These are true bugs. Two pair of wings is usually present. The anterior pair is most often the harder consistency than the posterior pair. Either uniformly, so Homoptera, or with the apical portion more membranous than the remainder, is the Heteroptera. Means apical half of the anterior pair is membranous, then and the basal half is the comparatively harder. Mouth parts are piercing and sucking type. You can say a piercing and suctorial type of mouth parts are present in hemipterans. You know very well about the mouth parts which are directed posteriorly. So the head is ophistognathous. Palps are atrophied, the labium forming a dorsally grooved sheath in which lies two pair of bristle-like stylets, modification of mandible and maxilla. The metamorphosis is usually gradual, rarely complete. In most cases, the body is broad and flattened dorsally. The hemipterous insects are generally sap feeders of crop plants and trees, and a large number of them are agriculturally very important as potential pests. So these are serious pests on agricultural crops or in-field crops. Homoptera. These are the variety of Homoptera. There's the leaf hoppers, plant hoppers, white flies, mealybugs, tree hoppers, aphids, wingless aphid, the cicada, scale insect, or the spittlebug. The suborder Homoptera. होमो से मतलब यहां होगा समान, टेरा मीन्स विंग्स. अब यहां समान किस सेंस में है? मीन्स membranous. Both wings are alike to each other in the texture, not in size. Obviously, forewings are larger than the hind wings. This is a diverse group of bugs with wings sloping over the body in wing forms. The forewings are gradually of uniform consistency throughout, means homoptera. This is the homoptera. Apterous forms are frequent, head are more or less deflexed, gular regions shell and membranous or wanting. Rostrum extends to the base of the anterior coccyx. Pronotum small, trochanterous, usually large. Tarsi with 1 to 3 segments. Metamorphosis usually incomplete, sometimes complete in males, more rarely so in female. Some of the families are describing here. Among them, first is Fulgoridae. Fulgoridae is a lanternfly, Tagmina, usually also the hind wings, with the reticulate system of supernumerary wings and cross wings. Oviposit are incomplete, adigus with a distinct theca surrounding the penis. The membranes between them usually bears a complete armature. Ocelli are 2, rarely 3, or maybe wanting. The 3-segmented antennae terminates in filaments and they are inserted beneath the eyes. This was believed to be luminous and hence the name lanternfly, but this has not been found true. These are the examples, or these are the diagrams or the structures of these fulgoride bugs. Number 2, that is cicada, a very eminent insect which produces sound during the May-June. Was the region of the sound production. A tympanum is present on the abdomen and that produce sound. Here is the description characteristics of the cicadas. Head with distinct form and 3 ocelli, tagmina usually transparent, tagli absent, forewings with enlarged femora, forelegs with enlarged femora, hind legs elongated, slender, not saltatorial. Males with conspicuous stridulatory organ or tympanal, अभी मैं जो बता रहा था, at the base of the abdomen. Concealed by plate like opercula developed from the metathoracic epimera. Male genitalia without subgenital plates, adigus usually simple, ovipositor long and complete. Here is cicada. इसका आधा विंग मैंने काट दिया है. यहाँ पर ये इस तरह का ये सिकाडा है, पेड़ के ऊपर उसी कलर में, तो नजर नहीं आता, केवल आवाज हमें सुनाई देती है. और ये ग्रूमिंग के लिए अपनी आवाज प्रोड्यूस करता है. Membricidae, the tree hoppers or the cow bugs, generally ये आपके सामने इस वक्त जो है आपको हर जगह देखने को मिल जाएंगी पेड़ के ऊपर. तो these are the tree hoppers. Head modified with a crown almost ventral with crown almost vertical and face horizontal. Pronotum enlarged and bearing a spine-like or variable process produced backwardly over the abdomen. Here is a crown. This one is the crown. This one is the crown. This one is the crown. This one is crown, crown, crown. So ये spine-like structure is present on the head. Or the pronotum and this is present on the thorax. This is the pronotum enlarged and bearing a spine-like or variable process produced backwardly over the abdomen. Characteristics, they are characterized by 2 ocelli Antennae lies in a depression beneath and in front of the eyes. Stridulatory organs absent. They usually move about by jumping. Hoppers are jumpers, jumping process. So they usually move about by jumping. Wings are largely concealed by pronotum. They suck the sap from trees, shrubs, and cultivated crops, and most species are host specific. Ants are associated with the membricids. Adults as well as nymph excrete sugary fluid known as honeydew. These are the examples which are given in the last. So this is all about membricid. Here's the Cicadalidae और the Jacidae family. तो Jacids जिन्हें हम लीफ ऑफर कहेंगे और यहाँ पर Psyllidae तो Psyllids जिन्हें हम जंपिंग प्लांट लाइस बोलेंगे. Cicadalidae या Jacidae जिन्हें हम लीफ ऑफर्स कहते हैं, they are generally small in size with elongate body tapering posteriorly. ये छोटे छोटे कीड़े हैं जो लाइट के ऊपर भी आप इस वक्त देखने को मिल सकते हैं आपको, और बहुत अच्छे से मैंडिबुलेट टाइप के माउथ पार्ट्स होते हैं इनमें और जो अच्छे से काट लेते हैं तुरंत. Rarely exceeding 13 mm in length. Rarely exceeds 13 mm in length. मतलब इससे ज्यादा नहीं होती. There are two ocelli. Antennae possess sensoria. Apical part being long and setaceous. Hind tibia with double row of small spines extends all over its length. Pronotum not produced backward in the form of a hood over the abdomen. Very active and half off at the least disturbance. They have the habit of running sideways. Leafhoppers feed on the almost all kind of vegetations, trees, shrubs, plants, grasses, and crops, and suck the sap from the leaf, flower, stalks, and tender of stems. Here's the examples of leafhoppers: green rice, mango leafhopper, citrus leafhopper, Sesamum cicadalides, etc. Psyllidae, jumping plant lice, small 2 to 5 mm in length, mouth parts, functional in both sexes, antennae 10 segmented, two pairs of wings, the front pair more strongly sclerotized than the hind, femora thickened, tarsi 2 segmented with paired claws. Here's the Psyllidae. Many species of their nymphal stage produce white waxy secretions. They are phytophagous and most species are host specific, like the Scilla mali, the apple pest, or the citrus scilla, जैसे Dipholina citrae. So these are host specific. This is the examples of these. Aleurodidini, white flies. These all are white flies. इस तरह से छोटे छोटे कहीं पर भी आपको नींबू के पेड़ के भी देखने को मिल सकती है और किसी भी पेड़ की पत्तियों के नीचे देखने को मिल सकती है. ये इस तरह से बहुत छोटे छोटे व्हाइट फ्लाइज हैं. तो इनके क्या कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स हैं? माउथ पार्ट्स इन बोथ sexes, antennae 7 segmented, two ocelli and a pair of reniform compound eyes. Two pair of wings are of equal consistency, opaque, white, clouded or mottled with spot or bands. Rostrum is 3 segmented. Tarsi are 2 segmented, terminating into pad-like ampodium or spine in between the claws. Honeydew is excreted in large quantities by all stages, particularly the larvae by anus. तो here is the cotton white fly है, sugar cane white fly है. तो this group is economically very harmful. These are most serious pests. Aphididae, the seventh family of the Homoptera aphididae, in which aphids or plant lives are included. You are well familiar about the aphids which are appearing in the April or March, April, when we harvesting the sarson. These aphids are aphids. ये इस तरह से aphids जो है आपको ढेरों देखने को मिलेंगे. हर कलर के हो सकते हैं, विंग्ड भी हो सकते हैं, एप्टेरस फॉर्म भी हो सकती है. ये बहुत सारे इसके अंदर कॉटन पे, बीन पे, बनाना पे, कॉर्न पे, कैबेज पे, सरसों पे, कहीं पर भी देखने को मिल सकती है. ये एफिड्स जो है बहुत सीरियस पेस्ट होते हैं. माउथ पार्ट्स इन बोथ सेक्सेस, एंटीनी वेरिएबल 1 to 6 segmented, polymorphic but alate form with two pair of transparent membranous wings, legs long and slender, tarsi 2 segmented. The basal segment sometimes reduced with paired claws. Paired dorsal processes, cornicals, present on the fifth abdominal segment. These are the cornicals. This one, ये cornical, ये cornical, जो यहाँ से fifth segment से निकलता है, यहाँ से निकलने वाला, यहाँ पर जो दिख रहा है, तो ये cornicals present है. Associated with woody and herbaceous plants, only sexual females oviparous, otherwise viviparous. Cornicals and cordae usually present. Cornical produce a waxy material which covers the aphids. Honeydew is excreted through adults. This is a large group of small, soft-bodied, delicate, pear-shaped insects that infest the stems and leaves of a variety of plants in large number and suck up the sap, causing serious damage in crops. तो हम बता रहती है कि कोई फसल ऐसी नहीं है जो ये छोड़ रहा हो, तो सभी के अंदर एफिड देखने को मिलता है. और ये अब इसकी बात आती है तो इसको खाने के लिए जो है बायोलॉजिकल कंट्रोल के रूप में हम आगे चल के बात करेंगे. बीटल है कॉक्सिनेलिडी, जिसे लेडी बर्ड बीटल कहते हैं, वो इसकी वोरेशियस फीडर है. तो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द होमोप्टेरन्स. थैंक यू.